So, we're gonna eat balot. You know that? Balot. It's balot. This is a balot. Okay?
Kita puso.
The piso is here.
It's very yummy.
If you are a Pinoy, you will eat balot.
But it can cause cysto.
Listen.
It can cause cysto.
Cystosimiosis. Cyst. I love you.
Kani ang muha, uy.
Na. Kumukag piso, uy.
Promise, it's delicious.
No.
Nakatilaw na rabo ko ni.
Lagi, once lang. Katong challenge. I guess twice.
Hold this.
Here.
Belot ah.
Na, dako man.
Dili, lagi kay gamay. Lagi na. I will plata you.
No!
This is how you will eat balot. Ay, sa gaon na. Ay, matuluan ka.
You put asin, salt,
Yours. Ay, add.
and
Add more. So you won't taste the feet, the mouth, the beak,
the feathers.
and then come to mga here. The most intense part is the vinegar.
What kind of vinegar is that?
I don't know, basta vinegar.
Matuluan me. Huy!
Show to the audience.
My kids.
Then, let's rock. Bring the baby.
Bring the bin!
Go!
No! Dili ko mukha ng piso!
At the count of 3, we're going to
Munch. Waka waka.
1, 2. Ipakita yan ah. And it's very yummy. Promise.
Gina! Hindi ko mabiso!
Kaon na.
Gina!
Go. Gina ba?
I won't eat piso, promise. There.
Ayun, nagkukuha ako.
Dili ko, oh. It's very big, oh. My God. Be pitiful. Have mercy. It's a
Yung
little
kumutan,
thing.
oh, magkukuha ko.
You eat this, Jay? Maon sa amin, ha? Bye-bye.